We got Pixar. Pixar Disney. What is this? Fable? A Bug's Life? Odd World? What is this? Ratchet!
You all right back there?
Ratchet!
Way. It appears that the dimensions are collapsing on one
Ratchet
another.
and Clank!
We cannot get to...
Right. The ship. I mean, we can't be that far.
I have it in my sight.
They have found us, Ratchet.
How do I steer this thing?
Ask nicely.
Slow down, please. Dad's not listening.
Wait, what is this gonna be called? Ratchet and Clank
Dimensions are
Dimensions?
weakening considerably.
How bad is it?
Bro, this is gonna be called Ratchet and Clank Dimensions, bro.
Great.
Where are we?
Beats me.
Dude, that looks like Jack 2. That looks like Jack 2's world. Haven City?
Beast, we've been boarded. Get off me, ship. I'll return.
Clank!
Ratchet. We are too late. Ratchet?
Who?
What? Whoa, there's a wait, there's a female Lombax?
Hi, I'm Marcus Smith, creative director at Insomniac.
Oh my
The entire
god,
studio
bro.
is so excited to be able to share with you a first ever look at Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart, a brand new, full-length, interdimensional adventure built from the ground up for the PlayStation 5. We're doing things we've never been able to do before, like use dimensional rifts to be able to leap from planet to planet nearly instantly, or put ray trace reflections on Clank. All of our alien worlds are filled with density and life previously unseen. Plus,
Man,
Ratchet's
guys,
all-new
I
arsenal
love
is
Ratchet and
more
Clank, bro.
exciting
I
than
played,
ever, thanks to
I
the
beat
DualSense
Going
controllers
Commando,
enhanced
Up Your
feedback.
Arsenal, Deadlock,
Ratchet and Clank are near
the
and dear to our
original,
hearts at Insomniac,
and
we
I beat
can't wait
Future
to
Tools
share
of
more with you
Destruction,
in
bro.
the future. But for now, here's another look.
Yo, I'm buying Ratchet and Clank for PS5. Guaranteed, bro. It's just something about this series I love,
Did
man.
you see that?
Like my ride, bro?
Bro, can we get Ratchet for Smash, please?
Lombax.
What the hell?
Look, it's Ratchet and Clank.
Sand sharks from above.
They actually got pedestrians now. Like, they got actual people in the game, like civilians.
Shark. Nice sand shark.
That's such a
Heroes.
that's such a good change.
Was that a kraken?
Or at least a very large octopus.
Can we get Ratchet for Smash? Yo, that's messed up. But look at the
I will
chat.
never get used to
People
that.
saying no one cares about Ratchet and Clank. Somebody said L. Bro, I care about Ratchet and Clank. Come on, man.
Did Dr. Nefarious really
Yo, look at all these
research
people in the
that
chat. They saying, oh, look at it.
and take over
They
the
saying we don't care. We don't care. L.
I kind of wish he was
Bro,
doing a
man.
job.
No respect for Ratchet and Clank, bro.
That's what I'm afraid of.
That's a PS2 classic right there, man. Ratchet and Clank Shattered Dimensions, bro. Oh, they brought back the shot blaster. Yo, Bro, look at these little kids in the chat. It's so cringe. They all talking about Fortnite and Skylanders and all this others. What the